Hello folks, if you think the Galaxy Fold 4 is great, cause it totally is, and the Flip 4 pretty good in its own right, which is also undeniably true, odds are you will absolutely love what the Fold 5 and Flip 5 bring to the table next year, if Samsung succeeds in all its endeavors. Samsung is without a doubt the undisputed king of foldable smartphones. The Galaxy Flip and the Galaxy Fold series of smartphones are the most successful foldable phones across the globe, and Samsung's mobile business expects that the foldable smartphone market will grow by 80% by 2025. During a meeting conducted by Samsung MX in the third week of October 2022, parts suppliers were told that the foldable smartphone market will have an annual growth rate of up to 80% by 2025. Moreover, the company also added that it expects tech giant Apple to join the foldable space in 2024. However, entry will be with notebooks and tablets first and not with smartphones. In the South Korean market, Samsung shared that the youth in their 20s and 30s were changing their devices from Apple to Samsung foldable phones. This is at a rate 3 to 4 times higher than before. Samsung also believes that 90% of foldable smartphone users will stick with the new form factor and will purchase a foldable smartphone as their next device. Industry sources reveal that the foldable smartphone market is a mere 1% of the total smartphone market. However, customers are showing high satisfaction levels towards foldable smartphones, and the sector is expected to grow substantially. There are few things that Samsung also noted that need to be revamped for foldable phones to become more popular. Notably, the size and weight of the foldable phones need to go down. They need to become more durable, and the crease on the screen needs to be reduced. The company will be trying hard to incorporate a bunch of potentially game-changing technologies and features into 2023's Galaxy Fold 5. Although some of the things the company attempted to get done in time for this year's Fold 4 release might not make their way to market with the Fold 5 either, at least a couple of big upgrades have every chance of materializing next fall. Also, there needs to be a slot for the S Pen, as they are the ultimate productivity handheld devices. This is a feature that a lot of consumers are asking for, because the Fold 4 was initially meant to include a dedicated S Pen slot, and of course the stylus itself as standard. Its sequel is extremely likely to make this change happen. The obvious problem is that any extra component or built-in accessory is all but guaranteed to add heft to a mobile device, or at least make it incredibly hard to retain, let alone improve battery capacity without increasing the overall weight. So I'll believe the S Pen slot when I see it. The company also wants to add improved cameras to its future foldable phones. Apparently the company wanted to add flagship cameras to the Fold 4, but it didn't do it to weight issues. Once again, today's report doesn't go into any detail, but because we like to dream big, we'll assume Samsung's ambitious plan, at least for the time being, is to put the same potentially breathtaking 200 megapixels primary snapper on both the Galaxy S23 Ultra and Fold 5. Something like that could certainly help foldables break into the mainstream. Just think of integrated S Pen and S23 Ultra's camera on the Galaxy Fold 5. I would definitely buy it for everyday usage. Moreover, it would finally justify the huge price difference over the superior S23 Ultra. But what about you guys? Let me know in the comment section below. Also share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. Good luck to all.